Welcome to Part 7, the final part. Recurrent networks read sequences one step at a time, but that is slow and memory eventually fades. In 2017, a single paper changed everything. Attention is all you need. Today we unpack the architecture behind GPT, BERT, Claude, and almost every modern AI system, the transformer. Read this sentence carefully. The animal did not cross the street because it was too tired. What does the word it refer to? To answer, you instinctively looked at every other word and decided which ones matter. That is attention. For each token, the model asks every other token, how relevant are you to me, and blends their information accordingly. Mechanically, every token is projected into three vectors: a query, a key, and a value. We compute the dot product of every query with every key, scale, and pass through softmax. The result is an attention matrix, rows of probabilities saying who attends to whom. Multiply by the value vectors, and out comes a context-aware representation of every token. One attention pattern is rarely enough. So transformers run several attention heads in parallel. One head might track grammar, another long-range coreference, another semantic similarity. Each head learns its own queries, keys, and values. We concatenate their outputs and project them back, and the model gains many points of view at once. Stack attention together with a simple feed-forward layer. Wrap each block in residual connections and layer normalization, and you have a transformer block. Stack dozens of these blocks. Feed them tokenized text with positional encodings, train on mountains of data, and you get the language models that are reshaping the world. And that is the transformer. Self-attention links every token to every other token in parallel. Multiple heads learn different relationships at once. Stacked blocks build deeper and deeper understanding. From here, the rest is engineering, scale, and alignment. Thank you for joining us across all 7 parts of deep learning from scratch. If this series helped you, like, subscribe, share it with someone learning, and we will see you in the next one.